Hello. Today is 27th January 2025 and we have brought you today's detailed daily horoscope. This horoscope is based on astrological calculations and it gives every important information of the day according to your zodiac sign. Please note that this information has been collected from the internet and we do not claim its complete veracity. Aries, today will be a day full of energy for you. This is the best time to start working on new plans in work. Those who are in business can get new investment opportunities. There will be a happy atmosphere in the family and you will get full support from your spouse. Pay attention to health, there may be fatigue due to busyness. Love relationships will deepen and meeting old friends is possible. Taurus, today you have to work with patience and wisdom. There may be a stressful environment in the workplace, but your positive attitude will solve the problems. The financial situation will be a bit stable, but unnecessary expenses will have to be controlled. The health of an elder member in the family can become a cause of concern. The day will be good for students, and good news related to the exam can be received. Gemini, today is a favorable day for creative work. Your confidence will be high, and you will achieve success in every work. Your leadership ability will be appreciated in the workplace. There will be benefits in financial matters and stuck money can also be recovered. You will get a chance to spend time with family, which will give mental peace. Cancer, today can be emotionally challenging. Take the help of conversation to overcome family tension. You may have to work hard in the workplace, but you will get its fruits in the near future. Be aware of health, there may be stomach-related problems. Avoid traveling and rest at home. Leo, today will be a day full of success and confidence. You will show proficiency in your work and colleagues will praise your work. There are signs of profit in business, and the time is favorable for big investments. Good news will be received in the family. There may be a new beginning in love relationships. Respect will increase by participating in social work. Virgo, today will be a busy day. There is a possibility of getting new responsibilities in the workplace, which you will fulfill with full hard work and dedication. You may have to take an important decision in family life. Health will be normal, but avoid mental stress. Be cautious in matters related to money, as unnecessary expenses may occur. Libra, today will be a pleasant and relaxed day. You will get a chance to spend good time with family. Your ideas will be appreciated in the workplace, and higher officials will be happy with you. Financial condition will improve, and there is a possibility of getting profit from old investments. You will experience new energy in life after meeting a special person. Scorpio, today can test your patience and self-control. There may be obstacles in the workplace, but everything will be fine with your hard work and dedication. There may be a dispute in the family over an issue, but solve the problem peacefully. Take special care of health, especially mental health. Interest in religious activities will increase. Sagittarius, today is a very auspicious day for new opportunities and new beginnings. You will get a chance to do something new in your career. There will be profit in business and old plans will pay off. Spending time with family will keep the mind happy. There are chances of travel, which can prove to be beneficial. Health will be normal, but take care of food. Capricorn, today demands hard work and patience. There will be a need to make extra efforts in the workplace. There may be a difference of opinion with colleagues on some issue, but you should put your point politely. You will get full support of the family. Financial condition will remain stable. Be cautious about health, especially protect yourself from cold and cough. Aquarius, today will be full of positivity and enthusiasm. Your efficiency will increase and you will achieve your goal easily. There are signs of big profit in business. Spending time with family members will give mental peace. You can plan to go out somewhere with friends. The day is good in terms of health, but be cautious while traveling. Pisces, today is a suitable day for introspection and getting mental peace. Complete your pending work and consider new plans. You have to be a little cautious in financial matters. There may be some good news in the family. Take care of your health and exercise regularly. You will be interested in religious activities and will get peace of mind. This was the detailed horoscope of 27th January 2025. This information is based on the internet and we do not claim its complete authenticity. If you like this information, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Stay connected for more such videos. Thank you.